In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Typeform in a WordPress page. We'll start on your computer with Typeform. Make sure you're logged in and have the form you want to share ready to go. Open Typeform on your PC and head to your list of forms. Click the form you want to add to your site, then look for the Share option. This is where Typeform provides everything you need to publish your form outside of Typeform itself. Inside the Share area, choose Embed in a web page and then select Start Embedding. Typeform will generate embed options designed for websites. You'll typically see an iframe option, which is the most straightforward way to place the form on a page. You can keep the default settings here if you're not sure what to change. Defaults generally work well and keep the form responsive so it fits nicely on different screen sizes. Next, copy the code that Typeform provides. It's important to copy the entire snippet exactly as shown, since even a missing character can prevent the form from appearing correctly. Now switch over to WordPress on your PC. Navigate to your dashboard and go to the page where you want the form to appear. If you have multiple pages, make sure you're opening the one you intend to update so the form shows up in the right place. Inside the page editor, click the plus icon to open the block inserter. In the search bar, type custom HTML, then select the custom HTML block. This block is specifically designed to accept code snippets like the one Typeform gave you, so you don't have to modify or convert anything. Click to edit the custom HTML block and paste the iframe code you copied from Typeform. You should see the full iframe tag, including the SRC attribute that points to your Typeform link. Avoid altering the code unless you're confident about what you're changing. Leaving the snippet as provided helps ensure the form loads as intended. When you're done pasting, click Update to save your changes. This publishes the latest version of your page with the embedded form included. From now on, visitors to that page will see the Typeform embedded directly within your site, and any responses submitted there will appear in your Typeform account just like usual. If your site uses caching or strict content rules, changes might take a moment to appear, but the embed will work as long as the code is intact and your page accepts iframes. That's it, your Typeform is now live on your WordPress page.